All right, 12 through 14, we're classifying the system. That means you have three choices. You've got consistent dependent, consistent independent, or inconsistent. And you can use the chart above to help you out with these. So what you need to do is get every single equation into y equals mx plus b form. In other words, get the y by itself. So you can compare the slopes and compare the y-intercepts. So let's do it. Number 12, 5x minus y equals negative 3. To get y by itself, the easiest way is just to add y to the other side. So we have 5x equals negative 3 plus y. Then we just add 3 to both sides. Boom, boom. 5x plus 3 equals y. Now we need to get the other equation into y equals mx plus b form. So, other equation over here, let's just add 3y to both sides, plus 3y. That gives me 15x equals negative 9 plus 3y. Then we just have to add 9 to both sides, plus 9 plus 9. That's 15x plus 9 equals 3y. Y is still not by itself. We need to divide everything by 3. Boom, boom. And after I divide everything by 3, 15x divided by 3 is 5x plus 9 divided by 3 is 3 equals y. And now let's compare our slopes. The slope right here is 5. The slope on my other line is 5. Now let's compare the y-intercepts. Y-intercept is positive 3. The y-intercept over here is positive 3. That's same slope, same y-intercept, which means it's dependent. So my answer is consistent slash dependent. All right, next. Number 13, we got x minus 2y equals negative 8. We're trying to get y by itself. So let's add 2y to both sides. And that leaves me with x equals negative 8 plus 2y. Then we're going to add 8 to both sides because we're trying to get y by itself. So x plus 8 equals 2y. Finally, we're going to divide everything by 2 because we want y by itself. We don't want that pesky 2. So it's going to be in fraction form. This is 1 over 2x plus 8 divided by 2, which is 4, equals y. All right, now my other equation, all I have to do on the second equation is add 56 to both sides. Ooh. If I add 56 to both sides, I'm going to drag that like way down here. That's going to be 4x plus 56 equals 8y. And I have to divide everything by 8 to get y by itself. So divide everything by 8. Alright, and then I'm going to drag that over here. 4 over 8 simplifies to 1/2, so it's 1/2 x. 56 over 8 is 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7, so plus 7 equals y. And now let's compare our slopes and y-intercepts. The slope, 1/2 on this equation, 1/2 on this equation. Same slope. And then compare y-intercepts. 4 on this one and positive 7 on this one. So that's same slope, different y-intercept, which means it is parallel lines, which is inconsistent. There's no solution. Inconsistent. Boom. All right, I'm going to erase this now. And the last one over here, x plus y equals 17. All we have to do here is subtract x from both sides. So we've got y equals negative x plus 17. That one was easy. And the second equation is already in y equals mx plus b form. So let's compare our slopes. Over here, we see there's nothing in front of the x, which means it's positive 1. Over here, we see the negative sign, so it's negative 1. So already the slopes are different, automatically independent. So our answer is right here because that's the only one that says independent. So consistent slash independent. And there would be one solution if they asked you that. And there we have it.